wala silang mabigay sa'ming ano, parang path or route.
I
So,
think the
parang
reason,
ngayon
yeah,
na-excite kami.
the reason na ganun sila is that I think hindi sila masyadong experience. They are inexperienced in terms of this program. Kung minsan when you ask a consultant or specialist, if they are not in line of some kind of immigration program na ginagawa nila, kasi sa amin, I think there are 9 courses in terms of immigration law. May temporary resident permit, may economic class, may mga asylum, family class, citizenship. So, yun yung mga yun, bawat isa yun, mayroon kaming course yun for us to actually take that at saka specialize with that. But para sa akin kasi, I specialize all of them and I like it. I like challenges. That's why I know exactly what I am talking about right now. I give you the offer at the same time that is under the immigration law, at the same time yung aking wide knowledge about immigration law. So that's I think that's the difference. Kaya nasasabi ko kung ano yung experience ko, at the same time application dun sa immigration law.
So, anong mas, it doesn't matter kung ako or yung husband ko yung employer.
Doesn't matter.
What?
Kasi sa application naman ng work permit ng foreign national, makikita mo dun yung family class. Makikita nila. You
Okay.
don't even need to mention, you don't even need to tell them. There's no reason to say that, but at the end of the day, makikita nila magkapares yung middle name nyo, apelyido. They know that. But there's this nasa gray area. Ang dami daw lawyer, that's what I'm hearing, na nagsasabi na, oh, hindi pwede, you have to take a chance, don't give up. And if you really don't give up, mapapasayo ang Canada. Kasi nga, may family ka dito eh. So that's, you claim that. And also, as what I've said, I'm licensed. I am responsible to what I say. At the same time, I'm not an agency. So I do provide work even. I only do all these things, process immigration paperwork, based on the immigration law. I will take a chance in between. I like doing that. I like gambling as long as it is a proper way of applying. At the same time, as long na lawful naman yung ginagawa. And kasi ang immigration hindi yan cut and dry. It's always what that's what I noticed. And now, we live on that situation. Hindi tayo pwedeng maging perfect sa lahat na, oh, sabi nila hindi na to pwede. Okay, let's not do anything. No. We have to do something. Yeah. Okay?
Yeah. Okay po. Yes.
Guys, enjoy Canada. It's a beautiful country. Maka-Canada tayo, okay? Kasi ngayon, inaasar tayo, pinupuli tayo ng US, but enjoy Canada.
Oo nga.
It's a beautiful country. We are proud Canadians. And one day, I can say this, RG, one day you're gonna be a Canadian. Okay?
Yes. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much for coming in. I will send you right away yung information about LMIA process. Okay, Megan?
Okay. Okay. Thank you po.
Also, RG. Take
Nice
care.
meeting you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
God bless.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Thank you.